Like most birds with vocal skills, they are trained and enhanced with, peanuts or seeds to help move their vocabulary along. And we'd like to demonstrate some of that for you tonight if we can. Willie, say hello. Hello. Very good. That was good. We'd like you to welcome Willie, of course, by saying hello, Willie. Very good over here. Very good, sir. Very good. Yes. Now, these birds are very smart. They are excellent mimics. They're excellent mimics, which is impressive, but confused for intelligence. Fuck you. What? Don't do that. Don't do that. That's enough. That's enough. You made your point. That's enough. Stop. Really. It's enough. I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to mess me up. Is it working? No, it's not. Jerk, child, devil spawn, Sarah Palin. Gotcha. Without me, you would be back in the jungle. Without me, you would be talking to your hand. Oh, good. You're hit with the boss. All right, good. Guess you're not going to have to lick after all. This would be a lot easier. First, let's get back to the educational part. But just be quiet. Like most birds, in captivity, this bird is very docile. However, in the wild, he is known as a bird of prey. What are you doing? I'm Jewish. No, you're not. Look at my nose. No, I am Jewish. Look at your nose. If you're Jewish, I gotta be Catholic. Why? I haven't seen a cockatoo. Hello! And I was hoping to do something a little educational. Like what? I wanted to share with everyone some of your personal habits. Okay, then I'll share some of yours after. No, yours are very interesting. Yeah, so are yours. All right, so... like most birds, he swallows his food and regurgitates it. Like most men, he picks his nose and looks at his finger. He then regurgitates the food from the bile. He then wipes it on the couch. He regurgitates the food to feed his young. What the hell are you talking about? You regurgitate the food to feed your young. No, I don't. I regurgitate the food because I want to look thin and fabulous. I binge and perch. You think that's glamorous? Yep, me and Lindsay Lohan and the Olsen twins all hang out at Chuck E. Cheese. That is not glamorous. Hey, last week I shared her bathroom with Paris Hilton.
What?
Yes! Is that the one that's been heckling you? I'm gonna fly over her head and shit on her. Now wait a minute. I have the same reaction as you. Paris Hilton sticks her finger down her throat? No, she was in her bathroom studying her lines. You are why mothers eat their young. All right, just do it. Okay. Okay, all right, calm down, bitches. Just do the impression. All right. I mean, you are heckling a throw pillow, basically. Thank you, and good night.